Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to our today's EVS class. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Today, we are going to discuss about our workbook. In this, today we are going to learn about Unit 2. So, my dear students, all of you please take your workbook and take the page number 60. Okay? Page number 15. Unit 2. My village. Worksheet 1. Let's analyze the picture and complete the word verb. What is? Let's analyze the picture and complete the word verb. Okay? Now, my dear students, look at the picture. This is a picture of a village, isn't it? Yes. Now tell me, what are the things we can see in this picture? Look here. River, road, houses, trees, plants, then grass, cow, a motorbike, hill, then clouds and birds. Isn't it? Now, my dear students, all of you try to write down these words in this word verb. Okay? And like this, try to complete the word verb. Okay? Now, my dear students, all of you please take your next page, page number 17. Look here, worksheet 2. Let's match the following. Here, we can see the description about different jobs, isn't it? And here, we can see the pictures and names of different jobs, isn't it? Now you have to match it correctly. Okay. Now look here. What's our first question? One who teaches us. Tell me the answer. Who teaches us? Postman? No. Policeman? No. Then teacher? Yes, very good. Teacher teaches us. So you have to match these. Okay. You draw a line from one who teaches us to teacher. Okay. Then our second question. One who takes care of patients. Tell me the answer. Who takes care of patients? Postman? No. Policeman? No. Teacher teaches us. Then nurse? Yes, nurse takes care of patients. So, my dear students, you have to match these. Okay. Then, one who works in a field. Tell me the answer. Yes, farmer. Farmer works in a field. So you have to match this. Then, one who delivers letters. Yes, postman. Then, one who makes people obey the law. Yes, policeman. Policeman makes people obey the law. Isn't it? Yes. So you have to match this. Okay. Then, one who makes furniture. Yes, of course, carpenter. So you have to match this. Okay. Now, my dear students, all of you please take your next page, page number 18. Worksheet 3. Let's write where they work. Okay, what's our activity? Let's write where they work. Okay. Here we can see a description about different types of employees. Isn't it? And here you have to write where they work. Okay. Now please listen. What's our first question? A teacher teaches in a... Where is? Yes, a teacher teaches in a school. Isn't it? Yes, so the answer is school. Then, a postman works in a... Where is? Yes, post office. So, you have to write here post office. Okay. A postman works in a post office. Then, a farmer works in the... Yes, field. So, the answer is field. A farmer works in the field. A policeman works in a... Where is? Yes, police station. So, you have to write here police station. A policeman works in a police station. Okay. Then, a nurse works in a... Where is? Yes, of course, hospital. So, the answer is hospital. A nurse works in a hospital. Okay. Look here. The clues of answers are given here. So, choose the correct one and write here. Okay. Look here. School, post office, field, police station, hospital, kitchen. Okay. You have to choose the correct one and write here. Then, now my dear students, all of you please take your next page, page number 19. Worksheet 4. Look at the picture. What is? Look at the picture. Look here, what a beautiful picture. What are the things you can see in this picture? This is a picture of a village. Isn't it? Yes. Students, this is the village of Raju. Okay. Here we can see a school. Here we can see a school. And there is a paddy field near the school. Look here. A farmer is working in the field. Then what is? Yes, we can also see a lady. Then we can also see so many coconut trees near the field. Isn't it? Yes. Now my dear students, all of you try to fill in the blanks. Okay? Let's fill in the blanks. Clues of answers are given here. So you have to choose the correct one and write here. Okay. Now please listen. This is my dash. What is? This is my village. Look here. Village. So you have to write here village. This is my village. In my village, there is a dash. What is? There is a school. S-C-H-O-O-L. School. So you have to write here school. Then, near my school, there is a dash. What is? Yes, near my school, there is a paddy field. Isn't it? Yes, near my school, there is a paddy field. So, you have to write here paddy field. Okay. Then, my father is a, what is? Farmer. My father is a farmer. So you have to write here farmer. Then my dash helps my father. Who is? Yes, my mother. My mother helps my father. Okay. We can see dash trees near the field. Tell me. Yes, coconut trees. Coconut. So you have to write here coconut. Okay. So once again, all of you please listen. This is my village. In my village, there is a school. Near my school, there is a paddy field. My father is a farmer. My mother helps my father. We can see coconut trees near the field. Isn't it? Yes. Like this, all of you try to write it. Okay. Now my dear friends, all of you please listen. Worksheet 5. What are they doing? Here we can see some pictures. In each picture, the people are doing something. Isn't it? Here you have to find out what they are doing and you have to name it. Okay? For that, the answers are given in the box. Here, you have to find out the correct answer and write here. Okay? Now, please listen. What we can see in this picture? Yes, a farmer sowing seeds in a field. Isn't it? So, the answer is sowing seeds. So, you have to write here sowing seeds. Then next picture. What we can see here? Here we can see a lady. She is reaping. So the answer is reaping. So you have to write here reaping. Okay. Then next picture. What we can see here? Tell me. Yes, a girl is planting a plant. So the answer is planting. So you have to write here planting. Okay. Then here a boy is watering plants. Isn't it? So the answer is watering plants. So you have to write here watering plants. And look here. What we can see here? Here a boy is plucking vegetables from a vegetable garden. Isn't it? Yes. So the answer is plucking vegetables. So you have to write here plucking vegetables. Okay. Like this, you have to complete this activity. Okay. Now my dear students, what's our next worksheet? Worksheet 6. Let's make new words. Students, here on part A and part B, some words are given. Isn't it? What you have to do is, you have to connect these words correctly and to make new meaningful words. Okay? Now you have to match it correctly. An example is given for you. Look here. Motor plus bike. Motor bike. Isn't it? Now look here. Mango. Mango plus tree. Mango tree. So, you have to draw a line from mango to tree. Okay. Then, play. Play What is? Yes, ground. Playground. So you have to draw a line from play to ground. Playground. Then black. Black board. Blackboard. So you have to draw a line from black to board. Blackboard. Okay. Then green. Green leaf. Green leaf. So you have to draw a line from green to leaf. Green leaf. Okay. Then motor bike. Motor bike. Ink pot. Ink pot. Then brief case. Briefcase. Then mobile phone. Mobile phone. Then nail cutter. Nail cutter. Now you have to write these new words in this box. Example, motorbike. Like this, you have to write here playground, blackboard, green leaf, etc. etc. Okay? Like this, all of you try to complete this activity. Okay? Now, my dear students, all of you please take your next worksheet. Worksheet 7. Let's read these words. Students, here we can see some words. These are the names of different animals, fruits and flowers. Let's read. Squirrel, ant, parrot, rabbit, cat, crow, cuckoo, pigeon, apple, lily, orange, rose, papaya, guava, lotus, marigold. Okay. Now, let's put them in the right box. Here we can see a table with 4 columns. Isn't it? Yes. With headings, birds, animals, fruits, flowers. What you have to do is, you have to tabulate the words that you have read. So, in the first columns of birds, you have to write the names of birds. Then, the columns of animals, you have to write the names of animals. Okay? Like this, all of you try to complete this activity. Okay? Now, my dear students, all of you please take your next page, worksheet 8. Let's complete the story by filling the missing letters. The picture clues will help you. Look here. It was a fine morning. In the next sentence, we can see a picture of dog. And we can see the letters D and G. D-O-G, dog. So the missing letter is O. So you have to write here O. The dog was sleeping. The again. What is this? Yes, cat. We can see a picture of cat. Here we can see letters of C and T. C-A-T, cat. So the missing letter is A. So you have to write here A. The cat was running after a, what is this? Yes, rat. Here we can see 2 spelling. R-T. Missing letter is R-A-T, rat. So, A. So, you have to write here A. Then, the, what is this? Yes, hen. Here we can see picture of hen. And we can see the spelling H and N. The missing letter is E. So, you have to write here E. The hen saw a fox. Very good. Fox. Spelling F-O-X. Missing letter is O. Okay. Like this, all of you try to complete this activity. Okay. All of you listen once again. It was a fine morning. The dog was sleeping. The cat was running after a rat. The hen saw a fox. She began to cry aloud. Help, help. The dog woke up. The cat and the dog ran away. The hen flew to the roof of a hut, H-U-T. The cat jumped into a box, B-O-X. Missing letters, O-X. Okay. All of them prayed, "Oh God, help us." Doom. The fox fell into a pit. All of them laughed. Okay? Like this, try to complete. Now take your assessment page. Page number 24. Assessment. Connect the words meaningfully with the dotted lines. Connect the words meaningfully with the dotted lines. An example for you. Farmer, field, plowing. Then teacher, school, teaching. Then postman, post office, delivering letters. Then nurse, hospital, then giving medicine. Last, tailor, tailoring shop, then stitching. Okay. Now I hope everyone understood our today's class very well. Now all of you please do your activities very well and send to me. If you have any doubts, please ask to me. Okay? Now we go to wind up our today's class. We will meet again on next EVS class. Till that time, my dear students, please stay at home and stay safely. Okay? Then, bye-bye. Thank you. Have a nice day.